So today we are going to learn how to make flowers out of stocking. So these are called stocking flowers. Now the things we require to make stocking flowers are: you need a wire, one plain wire, golden wire, thread, cotton, green color paper, scissor, Fevicol, and the most important are these stockings. These stockings are easily available in the market. You get it in different colors and different shades. So these are called stockings. So we will make flowers out of stockings today. It is very easy. Now we start with, you will take a plain thin wire. Now this wire will be thicker than the golden wire. This is for the base. You will first twist it in oval shape. This way. So after twisting it, you will get an oval shape like this. Now you need cotton. This is for the bud, the starting point of the flower. You will put some cotton on it and twist it. Next, we will cut a stocking. This much you will need. Now wrap it on the cotton this way and take a thread and tie it. Now don't cut this thread, leave it so that we can attach more petals to it. Now we keep this aside. Okay. Now to prepare the petals, you need to take a golden wire, cut it into different sizes. It depends on the size of your flower, how big your flower will be. If one is this big, the second will be smaller than the first one, and like this you need to cut in different sizes few petal strings of different shapes, of different sizes. Now to start with, you have to take the golden string for the petal, turn it, twist it at the bottom and lock it. So this is how you have to keep your petals ready. Now you can decide the shape of the petal, which shape you want. To make a rose, we will need this shape. Okay, so this is the first petal. In this way you have to prepare different sizes and keep it ready. So here are the different sizes for the petal. Now we will take the stocking, again cut it, so we take a petal, and now we will see how to make the petal with the stocking. This is your cloth. Now hold it from one side and wrap it towards the other side and pull it from all the side. Stretch it and gather it at the bottom. And just twist it, and now you will take another thread and tie this petal from the bottom. And give a knot at the end. You can cut this. So this is how you have to make your petals. Then you can decide the shape, which shape you want. You want the long petals, you want the round petals, or you want to turn it inside. Okay. And the extra stockings, you can cut it. Keep little stocking at the end. So this is how you have to keep your petals ready. Now we have different sizes with us. These are all the petals with us of different shapes and size. Now we need one green color petal for the leaf. For the leaf, I'll take the pointed oval shape. I'll take the green color stocking, the same way as we did the petal, only the color will change. Here you wrap it on the string. And twist it. And tie it. So this is how your leaf will look like. Okay. Now we will join all the petals. Here we go. This is your leaf. The leaf is oval shape and my petals, I will twist them little from up, like as if you get an M shape, letter M, or it should look like an apple shape or heart shape, you can say. So all your petals will go in the heart shape. Just bend a little. Now we will take a bird to attach all the petals to it. So this is your bird. My thread is still attached to it. This is how it will look like. Now we start attaching the petals to a flower. Now I will take the smallest one first. You have to start with the smallest petal inside. Here, keep it. You can do the arrangement the way you like it. You want to keep the petal open, close, curve it inside, outside, and then go on attaching your petals. One next to the other. And take the thread downward. Here. See, you can turn the petal inside, outside, whether you want a closed flower, open flower, and so on. You need to gather all your thread over here. So you can twist it the way you want. Attach it first. One more. bigger one at last, turning it outside. This will be the last petal. When you tie your last petal, cover all the stocking which is visible outside with the thread. Cover it with the thread tightly. Go down. And before you finish, if you want to attach your leaf to the petal, you can do that here. You can twist the leaf, attach it, tie it with the thread tightly, cover it all over, and then give a knot. Remove the thread and then do the arrangement the way you want it, and this is how your flower will look like. Now we need to cover this area and the stem with the green color paper. I have this green color paper which is available in the market for making flowers. You can take some Fevicol and attach here. You can start from here, cover it, wrap the flower. No thread should be seen. You can even use the marble paper, green color paper, or any green color material you can use to cover the flower and to make the stem. Just cover it, wrap it. Cut the extra if you don't want it. And your stocking flower is ready. You can use these flowers to make accessories, to make a bouquet in your decorations. So this is the bunch of stocking flowers.